Hi, and welcome to our 131st test and measurement video. Today's topic is an overview of Liquid Instruments' latest product, the Moku Pro. Their previous instruments have included Moku Lab, which has this integrated equipment: lock-in amplifier, oscilloscope, waveform generator, spectrum analyzer, digital filter box, FIR filter builder, arbitrary waveform generator, PID logger, logic analyzer, pattern generator, and laser lockbox. The Moku Go is a similar instrument, but it is more compact, allowing students to transport it in a backpack. The Moku Pro, our topic for today, is Liquid Instruments' latest product. It is a benchtop instrument, heavy enough so you won't be moving it a lot. It consists of software-defined instrumentation designed for performance and flexibility. Included when you buy the product is the latest Mac iPad, which serves as the user interface. Additionally, this iPad is an integral part of the Moku Pro and is required to operate it. Once the necessary application has been downloaded from the manufacturer's website, the iPad is used to control and access data from the Moku Pro. In this latest product, an FFPGA is coupled with a high bandwidth analog front end, along with networking and storage. Moku Pro's suite of software-defined instrumentation supports high-speed data acquisition, processing, and visualization, waveform generation, and real-time control applications. The hybrid front-end design performs frequency-dependent signal blending from multiple ADCs, delivering noise performance from acoustic to radio frequency. Here we have the basic hookup. BNC cables are used throughout to connect both channels of the Tektronix 2-channel arbitrary function generator to the Moku Pro. I am feeding a sine wave into the Moku Pro and thence to channel 1 in the Tektronix oscilloscope. All of this would not happen without iPad's gentle ministrations. The Moku Pro has 4 inputs on the left and 4 outputs on the right. The 4 analog inputs are capable of up to 600 megahertz, 5 gigasamples per second. The 4 analog outputs are capable of 50 megahertz, 1.25 gigasamples per second. High-speed storage is 120 gigabits SSD. Noise performance is 500 microvolts RMS with 600 megahertz input bandwidth. BNC cables are used throughout. Traditional instruments have an interface of buttons and dials. Liquid Instruments has located the software in the iPad. This makes for an efficient interface that resembles other iPad apps or today's phones. Moku Pro is connected to the network, Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and the iPad is the client user interface. Liquid Instruments delivers software via the iPad in order to update and improve Moku Pro wirelessly. In our next video, we'll explore the iPad interface and see how Moku Pro permits the user to access and diagnose waveforms from connected equipment. Thanks for watching. New videos are added periodically, so check back frequently.